Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with investingnews.com, and we're going to run through a few of this week's biggest stories in the mining industry. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, or leave us a comment below. Let's get into it.
It was another record-setting week for gold, which rose to nearly $27.60 per ounce on October 23rd, a gain of about 35% since the start of the year. Experts continue to identify familiar factors as price drivers for the yellow metal. Central bank demand is providing support, while safe haven buying is also in the mix as conflict continues between Russia and Ukraine, as well as in the Middle East. Aside from that, the fast-approaching US election is adding to gold's appeal. Silver was also on the move this week, approaching the 35 per ounce mark. While the white metal is known to lag behind gold and currently remains well off its all-time high of nearly 50, it touched levels not seen since early 2012. As both precious metals continue to climb, market participants are keen to know whether these rapid increases are sustainable. I heard this week from Keith Weiner of Monetary Metals, who explained that gold's price point has become more durable due to a key shift in the sector. Here's how he explained it.
We are in a different market now. And this market now is not being driven by futures, it's being driven by metal. And so as the price has gone up, it's been driven by the price of metal, or by buying of metal, which means the fundamental keeps moving up. And so the fundamental is above the market price moves up, and the fundamental is moving up. And it's just been, it doesn't mean there can't be a correction. I do not want anybody to think the fundamental price, first of all, it's not a timing indicator anyway. It's just saying that there's a tension in the market, which tends to be pulling upward, which is, evidence of a bull market, obviously.
I'll leave the link to the full interview with Keith below. I definitely recommend checking it out for more of his thoughts on gold, as well as his outlook for silver. This year's BRICS Summit, held in Russia from October 22nd to 24th, was a major focus for globally minded investors this week. The theme of the much-watched gathering was strengthening multilateralism for just global development and security, and it finished with the release of a 134-item declaration from participants. Among the many points listed, the BRICS nations highlighted their commitment to enhancing financial cooperation between members, pointing to the benefits of cross-border payment instruments and to the use of local currencies in transactions between BRICS countries and their trading partners. Images are circulating of Russian President Vladimir Putin holding a mock-up of a BRICS bill, but it's worth noting that the document doesn't actually mention the creation of a BRICS currency. This has been a hot topic with a number of recent guests on our channel, who've discussed the role gold could play in this type of setup. Putin did, however, emphasize his concerns about the weaponization of the US dollar, presenting Russia's proposed BRICS bridge messaging system. It's been described as an alternative to SWIFT, a messaging system used by banks around the world to send and receive money transfer instructions and other information. Various Russian banks were ousted from SWIFT after the country's invasion of Ukraine in 2022. I'm keen to learn more about the BRICS Summit now that it's wrapped up, so let me know in the comments what questions you have and who you'd like me to speak to. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave us a comment below. We'll see you next time.